Hey, you. Can you please come sit down there? Alright. My name is Kool. I am a second-year student majoring in biomedical engineering. Because I like it. Oh, really? You want to know? Follow me. So first, welcome to the BME Chemistry Lab. This is a place where students come and take part in an organic chemistry experiment. They observe the reactions of chemical substances, collecting data, summarizing their own conclusions, and evaluating their performances. This is where the magic happens. Oopsies! Next up, we'll move on to Physics Lab. And as most people are aware of, engineering students often deal with electrical circuit components. And of course, we as a BME students will need this requirement skill sets to construct such a medical tools which will come in handy. Computer programming. Programming is one of the most important aspects of engineering. This is the knowledge that ran behind the mechanical system of each engineering devices or machines. Every single machine will need coding or programming in order for the machine to fully fulfill its purposes. Wait a minute. This is not what programming looks like. And now this is what programming really looks like. Keeping up with the next subject is calculus. Calculus is the backbone of all engineering knowledge. This is what challenges engineers' critical thinking and help them improvise their adaptive skills. Now this is what made BME very fascinating. Welcome to Biology Lab. Biology is what made BME one of the most valuable engineering aspects. It is a driven force of biomedical engineering. This is where students get to explore the world of biology. Last but not least, principle of biomedical engineering. Students will be given lessons by the most experienced professors regarding the overall knowledge of biomedical system. It is the principle of how each component of BME works and apply all together. And more importantly, this is the first opportunity that students will be given to discover in depth all about the important aspect of becoming a biomedical engineer. Yeah! Alright, how was the trip? You guys enjoy that? So if you do enjoy the trip, please come join us at K-Engineering Fair. There's a plenty of stuff you can enjoy doing it, and plus you get to explore your own career path which relates to all the engineering areas you are interested in. Right, and we hope to see you guys there. Peace!